Good morning, students. Today, once again, we are going to complete the chapter, remaining part of the chapter, the thief's story. Half part is still remaining. Yesterday, I told you that Anil made some money by selling his book to a publisher, and he got 600 rupees. 600 rupees. He stuck the money under the mattress. उसने mattress के नीचे उस पैसे को क्या कर दिया? रख दिया. He put the money under the mattress. Hari Singh was watching everything. Now Hari Singh had a great chance to rob Anil. Hari Singh के पास बहुत बड़ा मौका था. Now what happened? Anil was sleeping peacefully. Hari Singh came there creeping. Hari Singh चुपचाप आया without making any noise. Took the money after putting his hand under the mattress and ran away from there. और वहाँ से भाग चला गया. When he reached on the road, he started running very fast. जब हरि सिंह रोड पर पहुंचा, काफी तेज भागने लगा. And do you know what happened? After some time, he stopped and he counted the money. The money was about 600 rupees. There were 50 rupees notes, and there were 12 notes of 50 rupees. It means there were 600 rupees. हरि सिंह को लगा कि with this money he could live like a rich Arab person. हरि सिंह को लगा कि इस पैसे से तो मैं उतना एंजॉय कर सकता हूँ जितना अरब कंट्रीज के लोग जिनके ऑयल के वेल हुए होते हैं वो एंजॉय करते हैं. हरि सिंह को लगा कि अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. ही डायरेक्टली मूव टुवर्ड्स रेलवे स्टेशन. लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस इज द नेम ऑफ ट्रेन विच वाज स्टैंडिंग देयर एंड अबाउट टू मूव. एक लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन वहां पर थी और अभी आगे जाने को ही थी. हरि सिंह गया. ही नेवर स्टॉप्ड टू अ टिकट बूथ. डू यू नो व्हाई? He never stopped to a ticket booth because in his entire life he never purchased a ticket. He always travelled without any ticket. उसने बिना टिकट के ट्रेवल किया था. The Lucknow Express was about to move और वो चाहता जंप करके किसी एक कंपार्टमेंट कैरेज में चढ़ सकता था. But he stopped there and the train went from there. और ट्रेन उसकी आंखों के सामने वहाँ से चलेगी. He hesitated. वो हिचकिचाया. He also didn't know why. वो खुद नहीं जानता क्यों. वो रेलवे स्टेशन से बाहर आया. उसको लगा where should I go now? अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ? Because he didn't have any friends. Dearest friends, this is also most important question. Who is the narrator of this story? इस कहानी का narrator. I am not asking author. Author is Ruskin Bond. But I am asking you narrator. Narrator means a person who narrates this story. ऐसे इंसान जो कहानी सुनाता है. He is known as a narrator. The narrator is Hari Singh. Is it clear? Who is narrator? Hari Singh. Question can be asked by two ways. Why did the narrator not have any friends, or why did Hari Singh not have any friends? They both have same answers. Your answer will be the narrator or Hari Singh did not have any friend because he thought friends are more trouble than help. Hari Singh को लगता है कि friends they always create troubles than helping. वो create करते हैं. क्या create करते हैं? Troubles create करते हैं बजाय कि help करने के. हरि सिंह को लगता था कि फ्रेंड्स हमेशा ट्रबल क्रिएट करते हैं बजाय कि हेल्प करने के. इट वॉज रेनिंग लाइटली. इट वॉज डिजलिंग. हल्की हल्की बूंदाबांदी हो रही थी. सोन इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग हैवीली. और जल्दी भारी बारिश होने लगी. ही वेंट टू बाजार एंड सिट अंडर द क्लॉक टावर. एक क्लॉक टावर के नीचे बैठ गया. इट वॉज मिडनाइट हो गई एंड ही स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अबाउट अनिल whom he had robbed. उसको लगा कि मैं अनिल को ही जानता हूँ इस सिटी में, उसके अलावा किसी को नहीं जानता हूँ. मैंने उसे क्यों लूटा? Because if I would not have robbed him, I could earn more than this money. अगर मैं उसे नहीं लूटता तो मैं इससे कहीं ज़्यादा पैसा कमा लेता. वो सोच रहा है कि what will Anil feel tomorrow when he will come to know about the money. जब अनिल को पता लगेगा तो वो कैसा फील होगा. After profound meditation, बहुत अधिक मेडिटेशन सोचने के बाद he decided to return to Anil. वो अनिल के पास फिर से उसे जाने का डिसाइड किया. Once again when he went to Anil, what did he see? Anil was still sleeping. Anil अभी भी सो रहा था. He silently put the money once again under the mattress and slept. वो चुपचाप सो गया. Next day when he woke up late, हरि सिंह की नींद लेट खुली. उसने क्या देखा? Anil had already woke up and he had prepared tea for him. अनिल उठ गया और उसने चाय बना ली. And he stretched his fingers and there was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. अनिल ने अपने हाथ आगे बढ़ाया और उसकी दो उंगलियों के बीच 50 रुपीस का नोट था. हरि सिंह घबरा गया. उसको लगा his theft was exposed. उसकी चोरी पकड़ में आ गई. अनिल ने कहा now I will regularly give you money. ये पैसे रखो और तुम सिनेमा जा सकते हो. when Hari Singh took the money was still red from the night's rain. वो रुपए अभी भी गीले थे. आप दिमाग लगाइए. Can you prove that Anil came to know about the robbery, about the theft? क्या आप कह सकते हैं कि अनिल को चोरी के बारे में पता लग गया था? Yes, Anil knew everything because the rupees were damp, they were wet because of the night's rain. उस बारिश की वजह से वो अभी भी गीले थे. But Anil didn't say anything to Hari Singh. अनिल ने हरि सिंह को कुछ नहीं कहा. क्यों? Because he wanted to give a chance of improvement to Hari Singh. And now Anil had understood that the evil which was in the heart of Hari Singh had been replaced by goodness. अनिल जान चुका था कि हरि सिंह के मन में जो बुराई थी उसकी जगह किसने ले ली थी? अच्छाई ने ले ली थी. दिस इज द स्टोरी. स्टोरी क्या है? इसका मैसेज क्या है? द हिडन एविल इन अ ह्यूमन कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड, कैन बी रिमूव्ड बाय द गुडनेस बाय प्रॉपर बिहेवियर. और हरि सिंह आया क्यों वापस अनिल के पास? बिकॉज he did not want to spoil his relationship. He did not want to spoil his relationship with a person who believed, who trusted him so much. हरि सिंह ऐसे इंसान के साथ अपने व्यवहार को, अपने रिश्ते को बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहता था जिसने उसे सबसे ज्यादा ट्रस्ट किया. बिकॉज इन स्पाइट ऑफ नोइंग दैट ही हैड स्टोलन द मनी, ये जानने के बावजूद भी कि हरि सिंह ने पैसा चुराया है, he gave him some money, उसे पैसा दिया, even accommodation दिया, फूड दिया, सब कुछ दिया. अनिल knew everything about हरि सिंह. अनिल हरि सिंह के बारे में सब कुछ जानता था. याद रखिए बेटा, डोंट जज अ बुक बाय इट्स कवर. किसी बुक को उसके कवर से कभी जज मत करो. हरि सिंह उसकी एक्सटर्नल अपीयरेंस को देख के लग रहा था कि वो बहुत ही भोला इंसान है, बट ही वाज अनिल की अपीयरेंस को, बट ही वाज आल्सो क्लेवर. एज आई टोल्ड यू, अनिल वाज a struggling writer. Is it clear? I am asking you some of the questions. What can be seen on the face of Anil when he is robbed? Your answer will be, who is Anil here? Anil is a careless person. Anil is a careless person. Who is careless in this story? Anil. Your answer will be, there will be sadness on the face of Anil. There will be sadness on the face of careless person like Anil, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Next, when a rich person is robbed, he shows anger. When a greedy person is robbed, he shows fear. When a poor person is robbed, he shows acceptance. But when Anil will be robbed, there will be sadness on his face, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Next question. Why is it hard to rob a careless person? Your answer will be, it is hard to rob a careless person because sometimes he doesn't know that he has been robbed. It takes the pleasure of work. Why does Hari Singh change his name every month? Your answer will be, Hari Singh changes his name every month to escape from the police and his former employers. आप बताइए कैसे कह सकते हैं? Why was Hari Singh grateful to Anil? हरि सिंह अनिल के प्रति एहसानमंद क्यों था? Number 1, Hari Singh was grateful towards Anil because he gave him food and shelter. It means accommodation. Even he taught him reading and writing and adding numbers. At last, knowing that he had stolen money, he did not say anything. उसने उसे कुछ नहीं कहा. That's why Hari Singh was grateful to Anil. Next, why did Hari Singh not stop at ticket counter, ticket booth? Because in his entire lifetime he never purchased a ticket. He always travelled without ticket. Next question, why did the narrator, what is difference between narrator and writer? Writer, author who writes the story, narrator who describes, who narrates the story. इस कहानी का author रस्किन बॉन्ड है. रस्किन बॉन्ड है. रस्किन बॉन्ड आपको नाम से लग रहा है कि वो ब्रिटिश है, ऐसे नहीं. एक्चुअली ही इज इंडियन. ये इंडियन है, नाम ही ऐसा है इनका. नेक्स्ट, नरेटर कौन है? हरि सिंह. What is question? Why did Hari Singh not have any friends? Your answer will be, Hari Singh did not have any friends because he thought friends are more trouble than help. Friends हमेशा क्या क्रिएट करते हैं? ट्रबल क्रिएट करते हैं बजाय कि हेल्प करने की. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what was given to Hari Singh for work? Your answer will be, Hari Singh was given food and shelter. Besides, इसके अलावा he was taught reading and writing and adding numbers. What was done with the food by Anil? Anil gave the food to a stray dog or to a street dog because the food was not worth eating. खाना खाने लायक नहीं. What is the message of this lesson? Through this lesson we get a message that the hidden weaknesses in human's heart, in human soul can be removed, can be awakened by the proper gentle behavior of someone. Here in this story we saw that Anil treated Hari Singh properly, knowing that he was a thief. and this gentle behavior, this kind touch of Ani helped in changing the mood, changing the life of Hari Singh. Dear students, the chapter is clear and more we will discuss in live classes which will be conducted through Zoom. Thank you.